Grounds. When filing your petition for divorce, your attorney will have to state the grounds for your divorce. Grounds are the reason for the divorce. Each state has enumerated grounds in their statutes for which they will grant a divorce. In Illinois, the grounds for divorce are broken up into two categories: fault and no fault. You should discuss grounds at your attorney-client initial meeting. The information that I'm giving you is merely preliminary. The grounds for fault divorce include impotence, bigamy, adultery, willful desertion for 1 year, habitual drunkenness for 2 years, excessive use of addictive drugs for 2 years, one spouse making an attempt on the other spouse's life by poison or other means showing malice, extreme and repeated physical or mental cruelty, a spouse being convicted of a felony or other infamous crime, or one spouse infecting the other spouse with a sexually transmitted disease. To obtain a divorce on one of these fault grounds, you must prove to the judge with evidence that these grounds exist. The ground for no-fault divorce is simple: irreconcilable differences. To claim a divorce on this ground, your petition for divorce must state that irreconcilable differences exist, that your marriage has suffered an irretrievable breakdown, and that future efforts at reconciliation are impracticable and not in the best interest of your family. If both parties agree to these grounds, then a separation period of 6 months is all that must be shown for the court to grant the divorce. If, however, only one party agrees, then the separation period is extended to 2 years before a divorce will be granted. What grounds you decide to plead or present in your petition for divorce can substantially affect the time, money, and effort required in obtaining your divorce. If you and your spouse disagree about the grounds for divorce, then the process to prove fault grounds can be long and complicated, requiring substantial time in court. When, however, there's a disagreement under no fault grounds, the worst case is that you simply must wait a little longer before your divorce may be granted.